Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have Asteria hair. They sent me over a 24-inch kinky curly 13x4 180% density lace front wig. Ooh, that was a lot. Let me tell you something. This feels thicker than 180% density. It's giving 200%. This is the wig straight out of the packaging. I did no extra plucking, no extra bleaching, no extra anything. If you are a beginner, I do think this is beginner friendly. All you have to do is cut the lace and install. All of the links and all of the products that I use in this video will be down in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. I almost forgot to mention, I'm not using the ball cap method in this video. I want you guys to see how easy it is to install and how good it looks without it. I know a lot of people steer away from buying wigs because they feel like they need to do the ball cap method when it comes to it, so as you can see, it's simple. I don't have any complaints on this wig. I've installed it twice since I've received it. The wig does shed, but I do feel like it's because it's curly hair. Curly hair sheds a lot. Now, does it shed to where you need to throw it away? I don't think so. I do think the lace on this wig is really good. The knots are small. It's basically invisible. The shedding on the lace is not going to be too bad. I know it comes pre-bleach. I don't know how intense the bleach is when they did it, but I do think the hair on the lace could last you around 5 months. I say 5 months because a wig nicely plucked like this, small knots, and it's pre-bleach, take care of it. That's all I'm gonna say. Take care of it, besties. Did I talk about color? I absolutely adore the color on this wig. It's not too brown and it's not too black. It's a perfect 1B. I know a lot of curly wigs, when they say it's a natural color, it comes too brown and I can't stand that. But that's just a personal preference. I know when I'm looking to buy wigs, I am not trying to do any extra work. So if you're used to dyeing your wigs black when you get them, I think this is the perfect wig that you can get. I've received a lot of wigs from this company before and they have the best curly wigs. My overall rating for this wig would have to be an 8.5 out of 10. My only real concern is how long will it be until I have to replace the lace on this wig? It's so good. It's so good. That's the only concern that I have. That is my review on this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna finish doing this wig. I hope to see you in the end. Thank you for watching.
That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I will be my own best friend.